Hey everybody, it's me Sissy. Today I have a little Dollar Tree haul for you, but I did find something on my wish list that I've been looking for. Ah, my llama. Isn't that so cute? But he had a little accident and he came off the saucer, so I got to decide whether I'm going to glue him back on and use him as a trinket tray or keep him separate, but that's just adorable, isn't it? Not gonna focus. It's so cute. But anyway, and thanks to everybody who offered to get one for me because my Dollar Trees didn't have it, but I did find one, so but thanks anyway. Okay, and I got a few things, a few craft things, a few other wish list items. Let's see. I got this scrunchy, whatever you call it, fashion fit 2-in-1 headband, wristband, and little hidden pocket thing. So when I go for my walk or big girl run, you know, I run a little bit, walk a little bit, run a little bit, walk a little bit. But anyway, it has a little hidden pocket you can put your keys in. But I got this with the black and then with a kind of blue with gold in it. And I think I got another one, yeah. I got the kind of tie-dyed one and the pink one. So these are really cute. And it's a cute little bracelet too, you know, just to wear it. So anyway, let me get a sip of coffee. Speaking of coffee, I got this cute little decor piece that says ready for a coffee break. I'm going to DIY this one and make it over to go on my coffee bar, which I've got this. I got all the stuff now to start working on the redo of my coffee bar. So I'm going to be showing y'all that. It might be in installments because I don't know how long it's going to take me, because I'm going to wallpaper the wall and repaint a piece of furniture and then have some decor pieces. But I'll be bringing it to you in pieces. But anyway, this is going to be for DIY, so stay tuned for that. And let's see, this is not craft related, but this is some great stuff. The Epsom salt foot soap. This is spearmint and menthol. It smells so good. And then I got the lavender scented. Now my favorite is the rose scented, but that's really hard for me to find. Usually I can find the lavender or just the plain, and that's good for if you got achy joints or anything like that. I have a bad knee and sometimes it hurts me. Most of the time it doesn't hurt me, but like I've been on the ladder this week pressure washing the house and painting window frames and things, and it's giving me a little bit of trouble, so I'm going to do a good soak in the Epsom salts with that. Y'all, I can't get enough coffee this morning. Okay. Then I found these cute little jot notebooks. These are so cute, and it has a little pen on the side. It has 60 pages in it. And these are going to be a DIY. I'm going to show you how I'm going to personalize these using my Cricut. Some of you expressed interest in seeing how I did the Cricut. So if I could get my screen capture thingy on my computer, I'm not real computer savvy, but anyway, if I could get it to work, I'm going to show you how to do it. If not, I'll just put the video camera over my shoulder and you can watch me that way, but I don't know how good quality that'll be. But anyway, I'm going to personalize these for some of my friends and send them out, so y'all stay tuned for that. I know I'm full of big plans and y'all going like, where's all the other ones you promised? Well, they're coming. They're coming. 4th of July barbecue's coming up, so I grabbed one of these for my grill. Excuse me. Got this really cute ribbon. This is really cute. I wear a lot of big t-shirts and stuff, and I like to like gather up one corner and put a rubber band on it or something to kind of jazz it up a little bit. I thought I might just tie a little bow, stick it on there. So, okay, now this is for a project. I watch a lot of YouTube videos. Let's say it. But I saw one where this person took the craft paint and squeezed it on a canvas. No, they painted on paper, then they squeezed the design on the paper, and it was like real simple, and then they put a canvas on top of it and squeegeed it and made a beautiful picture. So that's what I'm going to try to do, because that would be really fun for like those of y'all who are doing vacation Bible school or need summer activities for kids. So we're going to give that a try, so be looking for that. That's probably going to come today. I hope. But I did get the paint from the Dollar Tree. I got the Jot. It's the acrylic. I got the red, the yellow, the green, the blue, and the black. I have plenty of white paint, so I didn't need to buy any. And what else are we going to like? I know there's more in here. Oh, purple. Got purple too. But that was a good deal, $1. And what I really wanted was because it has this little squeeze tip on it, so you can squeeze it out. The video I saw, they put it in like those little ketchup squeeze bottles, the plastic bottles you buy at Dollar Tree to put your condiments in. That's what they use. So I thought that just saved me a step. And then I got this cute jar with the little sides on it and the screw-on lid. This is for my coffee bar, but I saw another DIY thing that I might do, so this might be for that. But anyway, we'll see. That's all in the bag. Now let's go over to the side. Kleenexes. I always have plenty of Kleenexes at my house, and that's good. These are good to pop in your purse or keep in your car or in your desk drawer or whatever. Then I got some of these Sassy and Chic makeup removing cleansing towelettes. And after I bought these, I saw a very interesting video on YouTube. A dermatologist went in the Dollar Tree and went through all their facial stuff and told how bad all this stuff was for your face. And I'm like, ooh. And he kept saying contact dermatitis, which is what I had on my face. And he said this one, I think he looked at, or she looked at, it was a lady, and if I can find the video again, I'll link it in the description box. But he said the only thing in here that was really bad was the fragrance, that we didn't need to put anything on our face that had fragrance in it. So, and then she talked about the Bolero stuff, all that, the one with the sea salt in it especially. She said nobody needed to put salt on their face for any reason, and that if you did use these, you know, to take your makeup off, to be sure and wash your face. Just rinse your face with water and wash it off. Don't use this to wash your face. Take your makeup off and then wash your face with a cleanser that doesn't have any fragrance in it, or, you know, any, what else did she say? Something, another thing. But anyway, I'll link the video and y'all can watch it. And I got some of these 6 paper trays for my 4th of July little barbecue we're going to have, maybe. I hadn't decided yet. I'm trying to get that week off from work. We'll see. And then my Dollar Tree had these again, the Never Wet. And I've seen some people hauling them, and they've split them up, and you have to pay $1 for each part. It's a 2-step system, but this was in the package, so I got it. And this is frosted clear, so I think it might put a little sheen on it when you use it. The other one I had wasn't frosted, so, but it says it's good for metal, concrete, and wood. And I bought some of those little metal planters from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to spray the inside of them so they won't rust so bad. But anyway, that's a good deal for $1. And this is another good deal. I have some little tiny areas in my yard that I planted flowers, and I put a weed barrier down on, and rolls of weed barrier from Walmart and Lowe's and things can be like $20. I bought 2 packs of this, and that was more than enough for what I needed. So $2 versus 20, can't beat it. So that was a good deal. And then I found this lovely tissue paper, which is coming up. I'm going to do a decoupage thing. I've never decoupaged before, so I'm going to try that. And depending on how it turns out, I may let you see it, or I may not let you see it. I might just tell you about it. That's it, everybody. That's my haul for this week from Dollar Tree. I've been working outside and everything, and trying to get outside of my house looking good, and doing a lot of projects around my house that before I thought I wouldn't be able to do. I would always I had to have a guy to do it for me, or hire somebody to do it for me. But I'm here to tell you that if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. I got out there on a ladder, painted my window frames, my shutters. I have pressure washed my house and my back porch, and I'm getting ready to rescreen my back porch. And I'm going to redo my coffee bar like I've been telling you, and I'm going to do it all myself. I didn't hire anybody, but I did ask people that I trust for advice. So, and I've been getting a lot of advice, and some of it is very helpful. My good friend at work, John McLeod, he gave me some advice about pressure washing my house, and it worked like a charm, y'all. I could not believe how easy it was, because I have gotten out there before and killed myself pressure washing, buying the crud cutter from Lowe's and all that stuff and putting it on my house, and it still wouldn't look good. And John told me, said, why don't you just get a sprayer and put some bleach on it, and it'll be fine. All you have to do is rinse it off. And I'm like, what, is that easy? And he's like, yeah, and it won't hurt your vinyl. So I went to the Dollar Tree, bought some lemon scented bleach, because that's my favorite. Got a little sprayer from Walmart for $7. Sprayed my house, and it sparkles like new money, y'all. It looks so good. Now, before I have done my sister's house, we used the LA Awesome, and it worked good, but you had to work at it a little bit. This, you sprayed it on and look back and you're like, how did that get so clean? But anyway, if y'all would be interested in seeing some videos of little home projects I do myself, because I don't want to have to get somebody to come do it for me, because I'm a grown woman. I want to be able to do it myself. And the traditional guy things, I'm not sexist. I don't think that women ought to get a man to do everything, but I will call a man to get a bug, a snake, or a frog. I hate all those things. But I think that I should be able to do things like that. So there's no reason why I can't. So if I can do it, you can do it too. So if y'all are interested in that, leave a message or comment below. And if you like my channel, subscribe. I've got some DIYs coming up. I promise you, I have them coming up. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all have a great day. Love you. Bye.